Nivan. Nivan is the most beautiful thing I have ever seen in my life. He's brightened my day, his touch, his feeling. It's like miracle to me. It's awesome.
I remember the first time I touched Nivan. I was half conscious. I was crying. I was laughing. I was chanting God's name. And I remember the first time I blurted out his name, Nivan Raja, because it was pre-decided that if I would have a girl, it would be Naisha, and if it would be a boy, it would be Nivan. And I was so happy that we have Nivan with us. He's such a beautiful, beautiful human, and he is someone who has changed the way we look at life, changed the way we used to be. We feel so responsible, we feel so happy, we feel as though our childhood has come back.
Each new day is something very different. Seeing him doing very different things, it's give us such an happiness, such a joyfulness, such a pride feeling. It's good to become a father.
It's beautiful to be a parent to him. He is one such human being that will lighten you up, come and cuddle you, come and kiss you, put all the drool over my face, and yet I'm happy. Who would like drooling? But when he drools my face, I love it. I love it.
His smile is the thing which is so good, so amazing, and I can't say in a words. It's out of the world.
What did you feel when he came in front of you, when you held him? Well, I was in operation theatre and when he was in your hand.
It can't be tell in a words. It's something. It's a very different feeling. It's a out of the world feeling. Very nice, very calming, very soothing, very peaceful. It's like my tears comes out while seeing him. So beautiful thing, so beautiful creature.
Then we have got his playful side, we have got his naughty side, we have got his innocent side. So he's given us sleepless nights, lot of them, a lot of sleepless nights. And after waking up in the morning, we forget the entire night and we see his smiling face. He comes and cuddles and we forget the night, what we bear in the night, we forget it all. It's like he'll come and smile and then you're like all forgotten. He'll just come and do blah 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 and everything is good. Again ready for the next night to be sleepless again, to keep changing his dirty diapers, to keep feeding him, to keep running behind him so that he doesn't fall, he doesn't hurt himself. His cuteness is out of this world. We are so grateful to have him in our life. We love you, Nivan.
Thank you, Nivan, for coming in our life. Thank you so much.
आशियाना मेरा साथ तेरे है ना, ढूंढते तेरी गली मुझको घर मिला। आबोदाना मेरा हाथ तेरे है ना, ढूंढते तेरा खुदा मुझको रब मिला। तू जो मिला लो हो गया मैं काबिल, तू जो मिला तो हो गया सब हासिल। हाँ मुश्किल सही आसा हुई